Hello, good day viewers. Welcome to another mathematics presentation. So in this presentation, I want us to look at these questions. So the question reads, solve the equations. So we have A, x squared minus 9 is equal to 0. B, 4 plus 4x is equal to negative x squared. So how can we solve these equations? So we are going to start with our first question. Okay, so the first question, we have x squared minus 9 is equal to 0. So the way we can solve this equation is we can see we have x squared minus 9. So this 9 is a perfect square number, which can be written as, we can write x squared minus 3 squared is equal to what? 0. You can write it like this. Okay, then from there we can we have noticed that this is the difference of two squares, which can be written as x minus 3 then x plus 3 equal to what? 0. So I hope it's clear. So we are going to get the first bracket. We have x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so we say x equal to 0 plus 3. X is equal to what? 3. This is our first value of x. Then to find the second value of x, we are going to get this one. X plus 3 is equal to 0. So we are going to have x is equal to 0 minus 3. So we are going to have x is equal to minus 3. This is our second value of x. So our final answer, we can say, therefore, x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 3. This is our answer. Alright, so we now come to our question B. So we need to solve this equation right here. So we have 4 plus 4x is equal to minus x squared. So what we are going to do first is, this is a quadratic equation. So this quadratic equation, the general form is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we are going to rewrite this one into this form, okay? Meaning that the minus x squared here will come to the left hand side. So we are going to have x squared plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. So what has happened here is that the negative x squared has come to this side. It was a negative, it has become a positive. Then we maintain these the way they are. So right here we have bx, this is what I've written for x, then plus 4, which is here on c, equal to 0. Okay, so from here what we are going to do is we are going to factor out. Okay, so we are going to write x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. So what I've done here is I've looked at the coefficient of x squared, which is a 1. 1 times this 4, meaning that I'll get a product of what? 4. Then the sum, I'll look for the coefficient of x, okay, right here, which is a 4. So the product is 4, the sum is 4. I'll look for two numbers. When I find their product, I'll get a 2. When I find, I'll get a 4. When I find their sum, I'll get a 4. So these factors are 2 times 2, which is a 4. Okay, which is this one, a product. Again, 2 plus 2, which is a 4, which is the sum right here. So the variable that I have, it's x. So this will be 2x plus 2x. So I'll substitute this right here on this sum. So that's why you're able to see these two values on the middle. So from here you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You can group them like this. So after grouping them, then you can what? Factorize. So you are going to factorize now. So in the first bracket here, what is common? It's x. So you write x, open bracket. You start x into x squared is just x plus x into 2x. So this x and this x will cancel, remain with a 2. Plus, so whatever you have right here, even when you factor out this one, you're going to have the same. What is common here? We have 2x plus 4. So we have 2 and 2. The highest common factor of 2 and 4 is what? A 2. Open bracket. So 2 into 2x, this and this will cancel. You remain with x plus. So positive times positive is a positive. 2 into 4, it's a 2. So you can see that what is inside the brackets is the same, equal to 0. So we are going to write, we just pick one, x plus 2. Okay, now we also have x plus 2. So here we are going to have the repeated roots. So I'll just pick x plus 2 equal to 0, because again x plus 2 is the same. So now what I'll do is I'll write x plus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 0 minus a 2. Okay, so the final answer now, what are we going to get? Our final answer, say x is equal to a minus 2. So this is our answer. X is equal to minus 2. In case you are unable to see it nicely. So we've now come to the end of our presentation. Thank you so much, everybody, for having time to view this content. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye-bye.